tell you exactly what you get as far as the box goes.
Okay, it's not something that you could just,
No, because usually with manufactured houses, they use plastic boxes. And they'll wiggle loose and the fan will do whatever.
alright, question for you. I don't know how much you know about mobile homes and stuff. In my kitchen, my floor is bowing.
Oh, imagine. Is it from water damage?
I don't know. It's just in the one area, I think it's where, it's right at my kitchen sink. And I think what it is where the tile is. And that where it just kind of,
Oh, that's possible, or something didn't settle right. Is that Danny?
either that or Michelle. Oh, it's
There's
Danny.
Danny. Just up here causing trouble.
Hi, Brad.
I owe you protect propane.
What size?
Big. Big.
The 100 one?
No.
Well, that's the big one.
40?
Yeah.
Yeah, in 20s, 30s, and 40s.
You hunt mushrooms?
Not the kind you're thinking of.
Where'd you find all those?
Oh, did you find a bunch of morels over there?
By the,
Yeah.
by the red barn?
No, I already looked by the barn, I didn't see them.
They're usually right back here.
Right behind the big red barn?
If Gene didn't whack them down when he weeded the hillside. Usually that whole hillside has a whole bunch. And then right along this edge